I've been testing Close and Gohighlevel throughout 2025. And if you're a business owner or sales team trying to pick the right CRM or marketing automation tool, this comparison will help clear things up. Both platforms are powerful, but they serve slightly different purposes and user types. Close is built primarily for sales teams. It's a CRM that focuses heavily on outbound calling, follow-ups, and pipeline management. What I like about Close is its speed. It's designed to help reps move quickly from one lead to the next with minimal clicks. Features like built-in calling, email sequences, and automated workflows make it ideal for businesses doing a lot of direct outreach. It's clean, efficient, and removes a lot of the fluff you might find in traditional CRMs. Gohighlevel, on the other hand, is more of an all-in-one marketing and client management platform. It's not just for sales. It's built for agencies, freelancers, and marketers who want landing pages, funnels, email and SMS automation, appointment booking, and even white label options, all under one roof. It's incredibly flexible and powerful if you want to manage the full customer journey from lead generation to nurturing and retention. But that power comes with complexity. It's not as plug-and-play as Close, and it takes some time to set up properly. If your team is focused primarily on closing deals and you need a fast, high-performance CRM to manage leads and outreach, Close is a focused, efficient choice. But if you want a wider marketing and sales suite that can handle everything from lead capture to nurturing to customer retention, Gohighlevel offers more depth and versatility. If you found this comparison helpful, give the video a like, share it with someone deciding between these two tools, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.